Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video, and as you can see today, we've got an FN. It's actually a 1.8, it's a 5-door, and it's having a Tegiwa 70mm exhaust fitted to it. Our Richard's going to make some modifications and get her on. So here we go. So here's the original exhaust. As you can see, a little pea shooter, but it is a 1.8. The customer wants something a bit louder, and a bit louder is exactly what he's going to get with this Tegiwa 70mm. So this is the section here that Richard's going to have to edit. So let's check back in a bit when we've unpacked the exhaust. Well, here we are. This is the Tegiwa 70mm exhaust system. As you can see, it's an absolutely beautiful piece of kit, and it's one of our absolute favourites here at Dynodaze. So this is what we're fitting to this beautiful car. Get the old one up? Well, it's on there. Oh yes, I can see it. It's beautiful. Let's have a closer look. Yeah, well, as you can see, it took a bit of work, but it's definitely through there. There we go. Tegiwa 70mm on. Obviously, a reducer here. As you can see, Richard's made a reducer. And then the 70mm exhaust system is on. It's burbling away, and we shall have her down, and we shall have a bit of a noise test, I think. Yeah. Well, that sounds amazing, especially in comparison to the old 1-inch exhaust system. Very deep and very burbly. I love it. And again, Rich, go on. Beauty.
Light was pretty fast.